Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security. Here we have to scroll down again to find the unknown source installations. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So if you'd like to, for example, allow Chrome to install something, just find it and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, we've got the information. Actually, your device is asking if you really want to allow Chrome to install apps, because the Chrome is a third-party app, and they are usually not checked and verified by the developer, so you may put your data and the actually your device on the risk. So it's on you're doing it on your own responsibility. If you're ready, just tap on allow, and as you can see right now, this option is active, this app is active, so it means that from now on it will be allowed to install some content. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just tap on the switcher right here. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.